Hello everyone, welcome to lecture on coordinate geometry. In this lecture, we are going to discuss distance formula. Suppose we are given x-axis and y-axis. In xy plane, if we plot any point, suppose here I plot this point P. So to denote the exact position of this point, we have to write the point is in the form of coordinate x, y. So here this x is denote the distance of this point from y-axis. So y-axis to this point is nothing but the distance x unit. And here y is denote the distance of the point from x-axis. So this height x-axis to this point, this height is represent y. So in this way we can denote the any position of the point in xy plane. So it denote the exact position of the point in xy plane. Suppose we want to find the distance of two points. For that, here I consider the point A is at 2 and point B at 5. Now here the coordinates of point A is nothing but 2, 0 because here the height is 0 because height that is nothing but distance of this point from x-axis. So here point is on x-axis, that means there is no height, the point is on x-axis, so 0 distance from x-axis to point. So the coordinates of this point is 2, 0 and the coordinates of this point B is 5, 0. Now to find the distance of this point A and B, it is just a simple way, that is the distance of AB is 5 minus 2 is equals to 3. Similarly, if we take 2 points on y-axis C and D and the distance between C to D is nothing but 5 minus 2 is equals to 3. So it is clear that when we are given 2 points on x-axis or on y-axis, so we can just find upper point minus of lower point to we get the distance between the 2 points. But when we consider any 2 point in xy plane, so then how to find this distance we discuss in this lecture. Let us consider the following situation. A town B is located 36 km east and 15 km north to the town A. How will you find the distance from the town A to the town B without actually measuring it? So here, if we plot the town A and town B in xy plane, so to understand this concept, I will plot the town A on at origin. If we take point A at origin and go towards is 36 km and after that we have to go towards the north 15 km. So here then we reach to the town B. Now our task is find the distance from point A to B. If we observe this diagram, then it is clear that we get the triangle which is a right angle triangle. This east point, if we consider the point C, then it is a right angle triangle at C. And we know that if we want to find this hypotenuse and we know the remaining two sides of triangle, then using the Pythagoras theorem we can find the length of AB. So here if distance AB square is equals to AC square plus CB square, and for AB if we take under root, then we get by Pythagoras theorem distance AB is equals to under root of 36 square plus 15 square is equals to 39. Now the same situation, if we have given any 2 point in xy plane, assume that we are considering any 2 point A x1, y1, B x2, y2. These are the general point. We can plot this point anywhere in xy plane. Now again the question is how to find the distance between point A and B. So for that, if we join this point A and B and plot the perpendicular from point A and point B on x-axis. Now, if we draw the perpendicular AC on B line, so we get again the right angle triangle at C. And we know that for the right angle triangle, we can apply the Pythagoras theorem. So for the Pythagoras theorem, using the Pythagoras theorem, we get AB square is equals to AC square plus BC square. Now here, how to find AC? Here on the x-axis, we can clearly observe that this point is x1 and this point is x2. So here the distance between A to C is nothing but AC equals to x2 minus x1. Similarly, for this point B to C, distance from B to C is nothing but it is a y2 minus of y1. So here we know the distance A to C and B to C. If we put this value in our Pythagoras theorem, then we get AB square is equals to x2 minus x1 square plus y2 minus y1 square. Taking under root of both sides, so we get distance from A to B. That is a under root of x2 minus x1 square plus y2 minus y1 square. And this is nothing but the distance from any 2 points in xy plane. So if we know the 2 point on xy plane, so we can find the distance from this 2 point using this formula. And this formula is nothing but distance formula.
Thank you. Like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel.